So the winter's back again. Days are shorter, nights are longer. The time when getting out of that warm blanket feels impossible. Your favorite season, right? But do you know what's special about winter? This season isn't just about the cold. It's the season that shows you who you really are, your true potential and your real limits. Feels good, doesn't it? Lying under that blanket till noon, convincing yourself that you're resting or recovering, when deep down, you know you're just running away from growth. Because winter, it exposes you. This season divides people into two types. The first ones, sleeping all day, wasting time on their phones, stuck in bad habits and addictions. And then there are the others, the ones who treat this winter as an opportunity, a moment to fix everything they messed up all year. Winter gives you a chance to redeem yourself. But your biggest enemy this season isn't the cold. It's you, your comfort zone, and your past. The same past that never lets you see your true power. You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. But tell me honestly, when has your tomorrow ever come? Even when you still have half the day left, you still whisper to yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Why? Because your past, that old version of you, keeps pulling you back. You've created a habit of losing. You start something, you fail, you start again, and you fail again. You've failed so many times in the same spot that now you're scared to even try again. You tell yourself, why should I try so hard when I don't even know if it'll work? You've gotten comfortable with losing because at least losing is familiar. And that's where you trap yourself every time. When you try to start again, your mind instantly shows you memories of your old self. The one who failed, the one who gave up, the one who never won. And because your connection with that past version is so strong, you end up listening to it every single time. But right in front of you, there's another version of yourself, your highest potential self, the one you can become if you just break that comfort zone and that mental trap. Because your mind never shows you who you can be. It only shows you who you were. It's like any cow tied to a rope. He could break free anytime he wants, but he never tries. Because since childhood, he was told he couldn't. That's you. You've been told your limits for so long, you've started believing them. But not anymore. This winter, things change. This time, you won't let your past define your future. This time, you'll break the rope that's been holding you back. Winter is your chance, your redemption arc. And in this journey, I'll be right here, with you. Rule 1, change your identity. You'll never change your life until you change the way you see yourself. Stop calling yourself lazy. Stop saying you're unmotivated or inconsistent. Because every time you say that, your brain starts believing it. Start saying, I'm the kind of person who keeps his word. I'm disciplined. I'm focused. I'm becoming dangerous. The way you think about yourself, that's exactly who you become. Don't chase perfection. Chase consistency. Because that's where the real power is. Rule 2, own your mornings. You can't change your life if you can't control your mornings. The first thing you do when you wake up, you grab your phone, you scroll, notifications, messages, dopamine hits, and then you say, I'm not in the mood today. Of course you're not. You gave your peace away the moment you opened your eyes. Keep your first hour just for yourself. No phone, no noise. Stretch a little, meditate. Write down your goals. Because these small things, they decide the direction of your entire day. Remember the one who wakes before. Tip 3, rebuild your routine. This winter, don't chase big changes. Just rebuild your routine. Stop thinking you'll wake up one morning and become a new person. Transformation starts small, like getting out of bed when it's still dark outside. Doing that one push-up when your mind says no. Reading one page instead of scrolling for hours. Your routine is your weapon. Because discipline isn't built in sunlight, it's forged in the cold. Every time you ignore comfort, you're teaching your brain a new language, the language of control. So stop waiting for motivation, start building your routine. Tip 4, take cold actions. Want to win this winter? Start taking cold actions, cold showers, cold mornings, Cold truths. Do what's uncomfortable, because that's where growth hides. When you face the cold, your body adapts, your mind evolves, and your will becomes unshakable. Comfort never made anyone strong, but discomfort, that's the birthplace of warriors. So this winter, do something every day that scares you until fear stops controlling you. Rule 5. Lock in winter is the ultimate test. When everyone's wrapped in blankets, winners are building themselves. This winter, make a contract with yourself, your own winter contract. Choose 3 non-negotiable things you'll do every single day, no matter what. Work out, read, build a skill, no excuses, no breaks. Every day you win that small battle, your brain starts realizing, yeah, I'm different now. But the moment you skip, remember this, your old version is waiting to pull you right back. Tip 6, become unrecognizable. By the end of this winter, you shouldn't look the same. You shouldn't think the same. Disappear for a while, and remember, when you come back with a whole new identity. This is your season to become unrecognizable. Not to impress others, but to prove to yourself that you are always capable of more. Leave behind that old version, the one who wasted time, who gave up, who doubted. Let him die in the cold, and when spring arrives, let the new you walk out, calm, powerful, unstoppable. Because this winter, you didn't just survive the cold, you became the fire. Rule 7, build power. Mind, body, money. Here's the truth. In this world without power, no one listens to you. And power, it's not just muscles or money. It's the control you have over yourself. In this winter, you build your empire, starting with 3 things: your mind, your body, and your money. Train your body, not just to look strong, but to feel unstoppable. Sharpen your mind. Read, learn, think. Because a sharp mind can cut through any struggle. Then, build your money skill. Sales, editing, writing, trading, anything. Something that pays you for your time and discipline. Give it 1 hour every single day. That's all it takes. Because when your mind is focused, your body is strong, and your money is working for you. You don't just survive, you lead. Respect follows power, and power follows discipline. So this winter, build it all. Mind, body, money, and step into spring as the version of yourself you always knew you could be. Just 7 rules, 90 days, that's all it takes. Do this, and by spring, you won't even recognize yourself. No more waiting for motivation. You don't need it. You've got momentum. So here's your choice: stay the same or rise this winter. If you're serious, type it right now. I'm locking in this winter. Because this time, you're not just surviving the season, you're owning it. Let's get to work. Let's win this winter for real. And if you want video in any topic, don't forget to comment.